Motorcraft Inc. has been the premier HVAC contractor serving the Delaware County and surrounding areas since 1938. Motorcraft is well known for their professional staff and provide customers with high-quality parts and services. They offer after-hours and weekend appointments for servicing that caters to any busy schedule. At Motorcraft Inc., they proudly stock American-made products and are an Authorized Gates Dealer. They carry everything from fan blades to replacement furnace blower motors. If you're looking for a professional team to service your air conditioning, ventilation, or heating, give Motorcraft a call at 765-282-4272 or stop by to visit and learn more.